Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As we do on this channel, we are going to review some trades that I took today. But before that, a friend asked me a question this morning that those trades that I've been showing in my YouTube channel, do I really take those trades? So before we go to review today's trade, I like us to go through them and see the MT4 version of all the trades that we've taken. So starting on the 30th of July 2024, we had this setup which ended up hitting my break-even point. Okay, then going right to my take profit, but I don't have the MT4 version. We even hit break-even, so it doesn't matter. And on the 2nd of August on AUD, we caught a buy, then we caught a sell. Okay, so here is the buy on that trade. As you can see, I set a buy limit order, so we had the entry, the stop right beneath, and we were targeting, I think, 1:4 or 1:3. So these are the entry. And then on Euro USD on the 8th of August, that's Thursday, we also caught a trade. We first caught a buy, so this is it. We had a buy with a stop loss being able to take profit. I think 1:4. So we also have that one right here. And then we also got this trade on Euro USD. We first caught the buy. Okay, that's this one, this buy. We caught this buy, and then we also caught a sell right here. So these are all the entries. And when you see these arrows that has been represented on the chart, it shows you exactly the point I entered and where I exited the market. So they are all real. I took every single one of those trades, so that's there for you to see. So this on the 30 minutes on that same pair, that's the buy entry, and now we enter the sell entry. This one, just one of my orders was activated, the other one couldn't activate, so I just had one entry. And then this is the trading view version of that same trade, Euro USD. Okay, that's the same thing. And this was right when I was about to exit the market. I took the screenshot also, so that's it for your view. And I also had this trade today, Friday, and this is the trade that we are going to review. Because the stop loss was very little, about 4 pips, I think 4 pips or 5 pips, I entered with multiple positions, okay, to take price to about 1:3. But I couldn't reach that point and I exited the market. So we are going to review that trade today. So yeah, this is that trade, that same trade on trading view. Yeah, the same thing. And then this is exactly where I exited the market because of weak reaction of the market. And if we look at it on the trading view, you understand it better why I exited right there. So that's it. And I also caught another trade, a sell on Gbpusd, as you can see right here on trading view. Okay, this is it on the MetaTrader 5. Okay, the entries, as you can see, the arrows right there is where I entered the market with a stop loss above and had my take profit 1 and take profit 2. Okay, so that's the same trade. And this is when I was exiting the market. So as you can see, I exited one position right here, waited a little to see if we can move further, but I ended up closing all the positions right there. So that's the trade, and this is that representation on trading view. So as you can see, I took every single, here is it, that's today's trade, and there's that point that I exited the market. So as you can see, I took every single one of those trades, and it's not just for showing off all, but I wanted to show you guys that every single trade that I review on this channel, I also take those trades. So that's it. So quickly, let's go through today's trade. What made me to take that trade. So here on trading view, so as you can see, we caught this sell on Thursday, that was yesterday, and then price started reversing to the upside, but something interesting happened here. Price came to create a low, push hard, and then it came down to take liquidity of the previous low and quickly rushed to close up. So this gave me indication that we can head further up, probably to a zone that I recognize here on the 50 minutes before we can come down. So I marked this zone to see exactly how price will react. So when price came down again to this point, I went down the 1 minute time frame to look for entries. This was a trade that I said it had a very small stop loss, so I entered with multiple positions. So right here, as you can see, when price tapped into that zone I identified, we had something very interesting happen here. We created this low, push above, and right here price came down, took liquidity of this low and rushed quickly above the same entry pattern. So I placed my buy limit right here at the stop, and as you can see, the stop loss was from 1.0921 to 1.0917, about 5 pips stop loss. So I entered with 3 positions, and when price came above this point, I saw some weak rejections. Price wasn't able to push above again, so I exited my position. And as you can see right here on the chart, let me see if I can find it quickly. Yeah, as you can see right here, I exited the position right there because of the weak rejection, and as soon as I did that, price reversed down to take out that entry position. So that was the first trade that we had today. We also had our second trade here on Gbpusd. As we analyzed this chart yesterday, we were expecting price to pull back down into this zone, to pull back down into this order flow before we can expect a buy. Okay, so on the 1 hour, I think, yeah, on the 1 hour time frame, I saw this order flow from where we can expect price to pull down from. I marked that level, and then it was also a support, recent support level on the 4 hour time frame. So when we come here, as you can see, that was the recent support level that the 4 hour time frame created. So on the 15 minutes, let's see what happened here. Price created a high, a low, a higher high, a lower low, another higher high which failed to hold, and then price reversed and pushed downwards. Okay, just like I always say, that is the liquidity point, and price failed to hold above this level. Price failed to hold above this level. So it gave us indication that we can look for a sell entry right here at the last buying momentum before that sell, with a stop loss just above that high. And we saw price pushing down and just about hitting our take profit. We saw some rejection, so I closed my trades right here, within right here, because I saw some weak rejection, and then price immediately reversed and came back up. So here's the trade, as you can see on the trade MT5. Here's the trade, and that's exactly where I exited the market. You can see right here. So that's it for today's video. I'm not feeling all that well, so I would like to end here. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learn a thing or two from this trade. See you in the next one.